Happy Navratri to you all. Today is the third day of Navratri. And here comes my third tip for mental detox. Friends, our environment has significant impact on our mental health. Presence of mess around can be more stressful for us. So, reducing the mess can reduce our stress. And have you ever observed that after cleaning your room or cleaning your cupboard or drawer, suddenly you start feeling cheerful or more calm or happy? Isn't it? So my today's tip is about decluttering. Now what is clutter? Clutter is a surplus stuff that gets in our way. So clutter can be physical, like a messy drawer, or it can be digital, like unedited photos scattered around in mobile gallery, or it can be emotional, like thoughts or beliefs that holds you back, that hampers your progress in your life. In today's lifestyle, we all are in constant pressure to buy, to acquire, or to collect things. So we go on accumulating many things. But what we don't know is let go. Even our to-do list, they are never ending to-do list we have. So in a way, our time is also cluttered. So now what is declutter? Is it neatness? Or is it tidiness? Is it cleanliness or organizing? Then some of you might say that my cupboard is always messy, but I'm cool about it. I don't feel any stress. Very true. Because decluttering is less about tidying up and more about focusing on the things which really matters to you in your life. It's about what stays in and what goes out. It's about actively taking decision about the things which you really want in your life at present, at now. So it is actively and firmly being into present and not holding back or not hanging onto the past. So it gives you more emotional clarity. And that's why I will say decluttering might be draining or it may be exhausting. It might be challenging for you. So, while decluttering, be kind to yourself. Take one step at a time. Start with small stuff like a messy drawer and then go for next step. Then go for more stuff. So, it will not drain you. And keep aside daily few minutes to decluttering. Focus on the process, that what you will gain in that process. Like after decluttering, I will gain more space for my things. So I will do it. Like after decluttering, I will get a order in my routine. So I will do decluttering. Or I will get a emotional freedom. So friends, by decluttering, you will get more emotional stability or clarity. So let's start decluttering from today onwards and share your experiences with me in the comment box below, that what you felt after starting decluttering. Till then, take care. Bye bye.